channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to see some more videos. So today I've decided to do an inspired look by Kim Kardashian West and doing a blue eye. I saw a photo of hers on the internet and I decided that I wanted to test out this look and I want to show you guys how I got it. So if you want to see some more things, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So the first thing I did was prime my eyes. Now I use foundation. You can use an eyeshadow primer, an eyeshadow base, and if you don't have an eyeshadow primer or base, you can just use your foundation. This just helps the eyeshadow stay in place as well as not allow it to get dusty and chalky looking. Now it might look a little funny having tape here, but this is actually a beauty hack. Basically what this tape does is that it helps your eyeshadow stay very clean and crisp, so when you take it off, there's a nice clean and crisp line. So what I'm going to be using on my eyes is Color Tattoo by Eye Studio, and this is an eyeshadow and it's in Tenacious Teal, and this is by Maybelline New York. So this is what I'm going to be using, and this is what it looks like in the inside. So I'm going to be applying this into the lid area using this brush right here. Avon palette, I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here and this crease brush and applying this into my crease area. Now taking Tail Feather by my Smashbox palette and a flat brush, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this onto my lips. Now going back in with our tattoo color, we're just going to apply this underneath the eyeline. I'm now going to go in with my Loreal Paris Voluminous Superstar Liquid Eyeliner and do a wing. With my Wet n Wild mascara, I'm just going to do my eyelashes. Now if you have false eyelashes, you can use that, but since I don't, I'm just going to apply it regularly. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're now going to go with foundation. I'm going to be doing this off camera, but I'm wearing my 10 Hour Wear foundation from Sephora. So that's what I'll be applying on my face. Taking my BY Intuition Contour and Highlight palette, I'm going to take the dark shade and do my contour with my Sonia Kashuk contour brush. With some highlighter, I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to add a tad of blush to my cheeks. I'm now applying a nude lip gloss to my lips. And that's the completed look. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe for more videos.